Alright, what's up y'all? This is Igor. In this video, I'm eating in a Russian fast food chain again. I go here from time to time. This is actually a really nice place. And we're gonna be eating different kind of food. I'm gonna tell you how it does it taste like and how much it costs I'm a foreigner traveling to Russia. Absolutely love this place, St. Petersburg, my home basically. And I want to show you Russian fast food. Probably you haven't ever tried it. The service is great. Not gonna go through the whole thing experience, but let me just show you the food. So this is place is called TEREMOK. It used to be also even in New York, I think. Right now, I'm ordered blin, what do you call it? Blinis, with ham and cheese. Then I ordered, here we go, ordered blini for desserts with some jello, not jello, what do you call it? Yeah. Then also a small portion of pelmenis, dumplings. Of course, some smetana and 0.5 liters of kvass. All this cost me 700 something rubles, which is like $7. And actually, because of my spare bank, which you can also get if you travel to Russia, check out the video how to get it, a spare bank account in Russia. You can actually, I paid nothing for this. I paid 1 ruble for it. That's 1 cent. All right, let's eat. Хорошего аппетита. Bon appetit. This could have been more hot, but anyways, they are fresh blinis that they make, and they have different kind of toppings, or what you call it. So this looks like this. It is good. Like I said, the cheese has a milk, but usually they have great quality. This place looks like this, by the way. And it has a separate cafeteria here. I might get a coffee actually here after that. And this, which is funny, is that they talk to you like you're a person from history, you know, like a gentleman, like even older. Well, I cannot translate it, but it's really, really interesting. They have all this basic Russian food. They have grechka. They have Finnish, by the way, uha, the Finnish salmon soup. They have soups, borscht, all kinds of stuff. You should try it. Wow. Smetana is excellent. A little bit disappointed at first time trying the ham and cheese. I usually take the Caesar with ketchup or like tomato sauce, but the blini is excellent. A child ran out, and there's like busy street outside. All right, all done, and now it's time for pelmenis. I already ate one. So you can, this is a standard portion. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like 10 pieces or something like that. You can also have a bigger piece, bigger meal. The difference is in few tens of cents. This was like $2. Pelmenis here are great. And smetana is very important. It's great as well. Mark Wiens has to try TEREMOK actually. That's what I think. So this place is basically for Traditional Russian food. That's what it's all about. With the Russian shawarma. Sorry eating, but my battery's dying. And the kvass, it's great. What I love about this place is that their soups are great. They're like, for fast food, they're great, and for the price. Basically, a soup, a bowl is like $2 to $3. Fish, the Finnish soup is like $3. Borscht is like a bit over $2. Very interested in how is my dessert is gonna taste like. All right, the main dish done. All done. And next up is something I'm excited about. I haven't tried before. I usually don't order any desserts. A couple of times I've ordered with Bellini with skushonka, which is like traditional Russian. Well, sweet, milk sweet. This is with strawberry jello. We need milk with this, by the way. This is excellent. TEREMOK, it's better than fast food, the burger fast food for sure, I think. It's actually kind of a more home cooking type of thing, if you want. So it's more, it's healthier. That's the best part. I think I'm gonna get some coffee as well. Never tried coffee here before, but it seems she's a proper barista with a proper machine, so I have to try it. All right, guys. The last piece of blini. Давай. I just streamed for 2.5 hours and didn't eat proper meals, so I feel great. I like the kvass here. It's just enough sweet. Good hibernation. Is it hibernation? Not hibernation. Carbonation. All right, guys. This was my Russian food experience at Teremok, Russia. So guys, please hit the like button. Push likes. I'm gonna get a coffee. Off screen, 2 tires. So all eaten. See you guys in the next adventure. Bye bye.